Okay, Mom.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, Leon. You take the lead, Leon?
Yeah.
That pathway. Right here. Go, guys. We'll follow. Go, Mum. Come on, Emby. Leon, wait up. I'll catch up with Leon.
Alright, you can do it. I've been letting you go. Look at him.
Go, Emby. Oh. Oh. Wait up, Leon. Go, buddy. Right behind you. Now, if you see a bike in front of you, we stay to the left. To the left. Yep, stay to the left. That's it, bud. That's it. Stick to the left. That's it. Yeah, concentrate. Stay to the left now. Yeah, right. Just keep it steady, Leon. Keep it steady. That's it, bud. You're doing good, Leon. Wait for the girls. Gonna wait for the girls. Wait for the girls. Go, Leon, circle back, see if they're alright. Go, pass. Woo! Go, Emby! Go, Emby! Nice! It's gonna follow behind you for some reason, huh? Coming! See you, Em. Pretty fast. You're pretty fast, Leon. Nice, bud. Doing really well, Leon. Look at this lovely view. What a good view, eh, Leon? Oh yeah, okay. Let's have a look. Keep out. It says warning, soft mud. You can sink. It's quicksand, Leon.
Like the desert.
It's the dead marshes. Oh, there's ducks in there. Well, they're alright. They should be good. Where's the girls, Leon? Come on, let's circle back.
I'll follow.
Come in. Whoa, he's fast. Oh, jeez. Oh, little mullet in the lake. Jumping. Keys jingling. What's up, Em?
Yeah, we saw the big pelican. Eat something.
Yeah. I'll go with Ember for a bit. Yeah. Alright, Leon. Move. Good job, guys. Let's try and get to the duck pond. Go, Mum, go. What is that? It's a pelly boy. What's he eating? How many fish? About maybe 3? Like you? 3? 6 fish? 6 of them. Oh, look, he's got one. Got one. Alright, come on, let's catch up to Mum and Leon. Come on, they're all the way there. Let's go, darling. He's eating fish. He loves it. Yeah, we eat fish. Look at the water ski, Emby. Woo!
Do you want to do that?
Oh, I don't think Daddy can. Oh, Lola has a boat. We can have a go. Well, let's take a picture for Lolo. Alright, go, Em. Go, darling. I'll catch up to you. Go, Bubba. Keep going. Emby, don't stop. Keep going. They're all the way over there. He's having a ski. He's skiing around the water. Go, Bubba. Nice. Nice riding. Watch where you're going. Come on, let's get all the way to the duck pond. You can do it. I'm right behind you. Yeah. Yeah, Emby. Yeah. I don't know. Emby, go to the left, darling. Towards the water. That's it. Stay on that side. Okay, go. Good girl. All the way, darling. All the way. You can do it. Yeah, no, we take our time. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice house. Oh, that's a nice house. Keep going, darling. Keep going. Oh, keep going, baby. Emby, stop there.
You forgot the breakfast, kids.
Oh. Where's the mummy duck?
Daddy, let's do a duck sound. Rah, rah.
A duck. Is that your duck call?
Rah, rah.
Here, I'll do a duck sound. Ready, ready? Meow.
Go, go, go.
Meow.
That's not a duck sound, that's a cat sound.
You're clever. Meow.
So like this. Rah, rah.
Have a rest. Have a rest, baby.
Mommy boy.
Okay, do you want a drink for an energy hit?
What did you say that?
For an energy hit? Ducky boys. You gonna name them? What's Daisy?
Ducky.
I want to call him duck.
Duck Goose?
No.
How's your bike, Mum?
Good. Very smooth.
My
State
bike-
of the art.
My bike is not.
Leon's quite fast.
It is, yeah.
That one. That one. He kept them cold.
I kept them cold, so it's.
Daddy got us a new bag so we can keep
Yeah,
it cool.
that's a cool bag, huh?
It's a good idea, huh? It's a cooler bag.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, what does it taste like?
Ilian.
Salty.
Good blow. Leon's quite fast.
He is, Dad.
And Ambi's got some good pace.
We were trying to race. We were trying to race the jet ski. Oh, wait.
Oh, that's a
why
good
you giving me
idea.
the egg? Huh?
It's a good idea.
I
Racing
can,
the jet
I
ski,
can
Dad.
eat the whole thing, Mom.
Okay, just chew it. Cool. I reckon when Ember have her bike with pedals, we can do the whole lake.
Yeah. I'm gonna upgrade Leon's bike too.
Hmm?
Look how cute he is.
Then he can have a bath in our bathtub.
Do you guys want a pet?
Yeah.
A pet in the house?
Yeah.
What would you like? Fish?
The pet turtle.
We need a reptile license.
Let's get Lola a pet snake.
Ooh.
Yeah?
She doesn't like snakes.
What? I thought she did. She goes on and on about them. Oh, I love snakes.
There, Ember. There's a
Ledge.
There is a drop edge.
Ooh, where's Mama Duck?
Let's play I Spy.
I spy with my
Careful, Andy.
eye something that goes quack, quack, quack.
The duck.
How many ducks are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, Ducky. 8, 9, 10.
Careful, them, not too close.
13, 14, 15,
They have red eyes, eh? I think they're mallards.
Ducks? That's a lot of ducks.
They're mallards.
Uy, dirty. Who wants water now? Is the chocolate done? Yeah. Let's try. See that? Look. Yeah, I got it.
The water's still going slow.
Jeez. That's crazy. Is that video or camera?
That's video. Camera. Go.
Me too.
Huh?
Too. Alright.
It has to be heavy duty.
Okay, guys, go. Leon, lead the way.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, duck.
Filming you.
I'm feeling you. You're feeling me.
Now let's go. Concentrate, his bike's coming.
Okay.
Stay to the left.
Tired? Okay, I'll do it slowly with you.
Whoa. Leon, wait, buddy. Leon, hold on, bud. Wait for the girls. Okay, Ambi.
I'm gonna be with you. Yeah, Mommy's gonna be with you.
One more time.
Okay, ready? Okay, Mommy will do it.
Settle down.
Say bye. Bye, boys. Bye,
See ya.
boys.
My turn.
You need help?